big farm. Let's go and check it out. Let's check it out. I think this is newly built big house. Oh, it's located in Humpung village. Wow. Oh, a lot of pigs are here. See here. Oh, here in a big farm, checking out how they are running this business. Surprised to find big farm in Ukhrul district. I never expect it, but yeah, finally I found one. There might be a lot, but then I just found out this one in my village, and I saw a lot of pigs. Now it's inspiring me a lot. I'll show you around a little bit more. Keep the piglets. The piglets. Oh. They keep the female pig here. Oh, nice. Maintaining properly, neat and clean. Inspiring to see running this kind of farm. And we need this in our places as well. And here as well, they're keeping a lot of pigs. This one and that one, it's a nursery room. Here they keep the female pigs and the babies. When it grows bigger, they shift it to the below one. So it's a nursery room. This one, it's a chicken farmer. He's trying out a few chickens. Few chickens are here, and he's trying to put more chickens in. Wow. Nice place, beautiful, peaceful. Oh. Now I got inspired. He's a hardworking man. Here he keeps chickens, down there he keeps pigs and piglets. He supplies the piglets and the pigs here and down. He said he has run this farm for around 5 years now. And there are lots of ups and downs, so we need patience and hard work to deal all this. So the main road, Infal Highway, so it's just a highway, it's very near. And he's the owner. This is the view of the farm, just near the main road. He has around 80 to 90 pigs, including the piglets, which is a huge number, and he's trying to upgrade the chicken farm as well. So best of luck. I'm on my way to duck farm. I'm going to show you duck farm as well here. Scary. Oh, there are two dogs. By the way, I'm scared of dogs. Make a friend with them. I'm safe now. Oh, let's check it out. So nice view, nice scenery, peaceful place. I'm scared of dogs, but finally they are friendly to me now. But here's one more dog. I think this is awful. Oh, it's all empty. Usually he keeps the duck here, but I think it's over. A few ducks left. Usually he used to keep like 300-400 ducks here. Oh, nice place. You can come and relax here as well. Unfortunately, all his ducks are sold out. Fortunately, there are no ducks. it's all sold out. Only a few ducks are here, but usually he supplies ducks from here and from this duck farm. Whenever you need duck or if you want to eat duck, you can contact here. Powerful. And